Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Will and welcome to my channel where I discuss all things credit card rewards. So be sure to smash that little red subscribe button for more videos like this. And guys, I'm finally back. I took a little break from YouTube. I was traveling for work, took a little vacation to Vegas, got sick, probably still a little sick. I probably got sick because of Vegas actually, I think about it. But yeah guys, I wanted to give you guys an update on what's been going on and what I have in my wallet right now. So I just booked a pretty big trip for my wife and I to Japan for next March. And I did that using my Chase Ultimate Reward points for both the flight as well as the hotel. And I'm gonna be discussing how to book flights, find rewards, travel, all that in a next video. It's probably gonna be a little bit long, but it'll be sometime this weekend when it comes out, guys. So be on the lookout for that. And I'll discuss a few of my trips that I have booked in the past. So moving on, guys. Right now, I'm short on points, guys. I still need 20,000 more points in order to book the last night's hotel stay at a Hilton. So that's what I'm gonna be working on for the next few months, putting enough points for that. So let's go and jump into it. First card that I have in my wallet right now is, of course, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Sapphire Reserve card, 3 points back when you buy, when you use it at fast food restaurants, dining and stuff. Now, this is one that I probably won't use too much. This is one that my wife uses. So my wife has all of these cards. She's either an authorized user or she has her own card. So she does have the Sapphire Reserve card, and she will be using that quite a bit more than me. So I'm counting on her. She's not too good at remembering which card to use, so I always have to hound her. But I'm sure she'll get it done. Next card I have in my wallet is the Freedom card. So the Freedom card is pretty good for this quarter. So you get 5% back or 5 points back at grocery stores as well as home improvement stores. Now, grocery stores is a big deal for me because this is where I usually eat lunch during the week. So I eat Whole Foods at the Hot Bar. Have a lot of healthy options. It's better than, say, going to Burger King or Chick-fil-A all the time. So I do eat at Whole Foods quite a bit. And I do a lot of grocery shopping because I do a lot of cooking as well. So the Freedom card would be a big, heavy hitter for me this quarter. So I'm definitely be taking advantage of that. Now, the next card I have in my wallet is the Ink Cash card. And it's not actually in my wallet. This is one that I actually keep in my car, kind of hidden away in my car. And that's because of a few different reasons. So the first one is because, well, I use it for gas and I get 2 points back for all my gas purchases. So it's easier just to leave my wallet or in my car. Next is to pay some bills. So usually auto drafting. The big bill that I have every month is my phone bill, which is about $350. And when I use it for my phone bill, I get 5 points back. So that's a huge amount. That's over what, $1,700, $1,750 every month just for my phone bill. So love the Ink Cash card. It's probably my favorite card. Another thing that I use it for is my cable bill. And I actually do this by buying a gift card. So I have YouTube TV. So that kind of, is Google, right? So you can actually use a Google Play gift card in order to pay for your YouTube bill. So I go to staples.com, buy a Google gift card, and I get 5% back on that. So that's why I love the Ink Cash card, guys, and cannot recommend it any more than that. Next card I have is the Ink Business Unlimited card. It's probably not focus. Ink Business Unlimited card, guys, it's pretty much the same as the regular Freedom Unlimited card. You get 1.5% back on all your purchases with that. It's no different. So I do have the Freedom Unlimited card as well. Just don't have it in my wallet right now. I just grabbed the first thing I saw. But yeah, guys, those are the 4 cards I have in my wallet right now. I've done a video on my Chase Qualifier system, and I'll link it up here. It goes into a little bit more detail about how to use it, all the benefits, all the fees and stuff. So be sure to check that out if you're interested in it. But yeah, guys, that's all I have right now. Those are the cards I'm going to be using for the next few months, so I can hopefully get to that 20,000 points as soon as possible. I think it'll take me about 3 months or so. So hopefully, sooner rather than later, because March in Tokyo is usually a very busy time, so hotels usually pick up pretty quickly. But yeah, guys, I'm back. I'm going to do some videos, 1 or 2 every week, just depending on how my work schedule is. Definitely gonna have another one, like I said, discussing booking trips, all the tips and tricks on finding rewards, flights, and stuff like that sometime this weekend. So be on the lookout for that. Hit that little bell notification, and that's it, guys. If you liked the video, be sure to smash those like buttons, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.